what I know. I'm on to better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only want people around that's gonna make me better. In it, that's so ooh. They ask how I get that ooh. Can't worry about nobody, gotta worry about my business. Don't bring niggas around me, I don't know the intentions. Don't wanna fall in love, cause these little bitches trippy bitches. Watch that, the way that we should keep my distance. Why they wanna hate me? Why? That shit crazy. Ooh, why? He mad I took his bitch. Ooh, that's my pussy, baby. Yeah, she bad. You must not know me, baby. I'm off to better things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only want people around that's gonna make me better. In it.
Okay guys, before the camera dies, I'm going to show you guys my new lights. Hopefully you can see like the back of them and like they're blinking and stuff. So I have the app on my phone, so the lights can be controlled from my phone. It's the Neewer lights. Hopefully my camera is focusing. I think y'all are in focus. So what I'm going to do, I think you can rename the names, but I haven't did that yet because I've just started using it, so I don't have them labeled to which light is what light. So I can turn them on like this, and as you can see there's just one light, and it does I guess you would say like multicolored, like a strobe light. And then you can go on your phone as well and change it to different things like purple and turn it off. Then I'm going to turn it back on, and I'm going to hit adjust, and I can just turn it to whatever type of light I want. And I can make it bright, dim. How cute and cool is that? You can make it high. You can turn the brightness up and down. And then I'm going to show you guys what it looks like with all three of the lights on. Like I said, forgive me because I don't know how to work it. So I'm going to turn this one on. So I turned the bottom one on. Then I'm going to turn the third one on. So that's what they look like. I'm gonna try to turn it all on white so you guys can kind of like see, and then turn the brightness up. So as you can see, they're very bright, and depending on how you shut and close the shutters on them is how much, you know, exposure you'll get from them. I think that's the right word, exposure. But again, these are the Neewer lights, and this is what they look like. On the back of them, I don't know if you guys can see, let me see. On the back of them, they tell you like, girl, I really don't know like the channels and stuff like that. I really don't know what any of that means, but basically it like shows you like the brightness, and then if you want to change the mode, it has a mode button, and it just changes like the flickering, like strobe. I think this one is like a slight pulse, if that makes sense. And then you can do like another one. I don't really know, you guys. Like, I have no idea. And then I think this turns up like the brightness and the downness of it. I don't know, but that's what they do. They're also with a cord. They came with 3 cords for both. That's not extra, it's all included. You can get batteries for them, but I heard it like they are brighter when you use the plug-in port. I don't know how true that is because they didn't come with batteries. They did just come with like the plugs. Like I said, all 3 of them have plugs on it, but you can get batteries for them. So that would be like what, 2, 4, 6 batteries that you would need, if you would like. Or you can just plug them in. So whichever way you would want to. You can make them wireless or you can make them pluggable. So I like that about them. You have pretty much free reign to do what you want. So we're gonna see how these look in my new studio once I can go in there. I haven't been able to film videos, you guys, because I'm having a like leak in my house and it's like a big hole in my ceiling. So I'm waiting for them to fix that. So once that's fixed, then we can get back to videos. But I do apologize for the inconvenience. But I really like my lights, and again, they are Neewer lights. And my ring light is also a Neewer light. I don't have it in here, but I'm actually going to order a new ring light soon as well, because that one's really old. I've had it almost since I started YouTube, but not really. And then it gives you like the pulse in the back, and I cannot wait to use this in the back of my chair. So y'all got the details on the lights, and I hope you guys enjoy them. I can't wait to like play with them and see what they look like when I film and stuff, and see how the quality looks back after I use it and stuff. But I'm super duper excited. And these were around $239. They're originally like $3 something, but I got the sale for Juneteenth and they were $259, I think, or something around there. So I think it was a really nice steal deal for 3 of them for $200 some. So I really like them. They were easy to put together. They all came well prepped. No brokenness, no damage, no loose screws, no nothing. So they all was packaged really nice from Neewer, and I really like it. And it was in a big box. It came with a big bag that I can put them back in when I want to travel with them if I want, like. So yeah, I really like them. I don't know what lights they're called. I know they're just called Neewer panel color something lights. So yeah, you guys, these are what they look like, and I hope you guys like them, and I can't wait till we can play with them.
Things. I'm only doing shit that's gonna make me elevate. Only want people around that's gonna make me better. In it, that's so ooh. They ask how I get that ooh. I'm too busy getting this money, counting chatter. My daddy let me down, but I promise you I won't let her. Ooh.